12-inch screen on this buddy right here. This is a Bighorn with a 12-inch screen. All 2022s. Ram trucks have special financing, 2.9% interest rate going on all our 2022s. This is an Eco Diesel. All my 2022s, 2.9%. 2.9%. 2.9%. 2.9%. 2.9%. 2.9% on all 2022s, maybe 2023s. But we got to move these 22s out the way. Manufacturer incentive plus additional dealer cash. All 2022 Ram trucks have a special incentives if you can buy. That's with approved credit. You're going to get a crazy interest rate provided by the manufacturer. Chrysler Capital or Stellantis. But come see me, 3700 Red Bank Road. This is where I'm at. This is destiny. But it's video time. I got to do a video on that Camaro for sure. So in due time, keep us in mind. Come see us. We are open from now until 6 p.m. You can book your VIP appointment, your buyer's appointment this weekend. Give me a call, 513-399-5459. 513-399-5459. Come see Jack.